If you need to reset oil life on a Chevy product, it's very simple, and you can follow these instructions. First, you're going to connect to the vehicle. We do that by choosing Chevrolet, searching for the VIN, and then selecting the proper vehicle. Once those choices are made, go ahead and hit apply. Next, we're going to choose the enhanced powertrain module. At this point, you have the option to choose to scan the module for codes or just go into live data. I don't think it's ever a bad idea to see if there are codes, but this is completely a user choice. Once it is scanned, you can skip this next step if you want. We are showing how you can confirm the reset is done by searching for and displaying the oil life PID. You can see that it shows oil life remaining 0. Next, you want to go into actuations and you want to find the oil life reset. Once found, set the value to whatever you need to. Most times you will be going to 100%, but there are times where you need to set this to a different value. Once you have sent that request, you can see now that engine oil life remaining shows 100% on the PID. You have now reset the oil life on this 2005 Chevy Silverado. Make sure you disconnect from the module correctly, and don't forget to remove your scanner.